Hey everyone, it's Lucy from Kbeautyhobbit.com. Today I have an OshenSkin.com unboxing for you. And if you're not familiar, Oshen Skin is a newly launched online retailer of K-beauty. They curate different brands, some indie brands, some well-known brands. They ship to Canada and the United States directly from Korea, and they have been really awesome to work with. So I've really enjoyed watching their growth. I already cut into the box. Oh, look how cute. I already cut into the box because the last time I did one of these Oshen Skin unboxings, I didn't realize just how many places have my address listed on the label. Like, I thought I covered it up. Nope. So I ended up having to edit with this really ugly, like, color block thing just to block the address. Anyway, look how carefully they package everything. So the two owners of this, they do all the fulfillment themselves currently, and they take really good care of everything. Move this over, and this material here is biodegradable, and apparently you can use it as refrigerator shelf liners as well before you totally recycle it. You know what, I'm going to move the box off to the side. Okay, so the first thing is the Clavu Green Pearl Station PHA Calming Serum. And all of these are new to me, so I haven't had any of these. I can't give you a review or anything like that. I will post reviews on my Instagram at Kbeautyhobbit and on my blog, Kbeautyhobbit.com. So follow me on there if you haven't, and keep up with that. But I'll put links for everything in the description box, and then you can get 10% off on Oshen Skin site with my affiliate code Kbeautyhobbit10. So I'm excited to try this. PHA is like a cousin to AHAs. It's a type of acid, but it's very gently exfoliating. And I kind of prefer with my exfoliation to have like a lower percentage and gentler, but just use it a little bit more often versus do something super intense like the ordinary peel, for example, and like burn half of my face off, because I would, knowing me. Here's the Klavuu Green Pearl Station PHA Calming Toner. I'm curious to see if the toner and the serum are supposed to be used in the same routine, because sometimes, even with a gentle exfoliation, you really don't need two exfoliating products in the same routine. We'll see. I love the packaging. If you tried any of these, as I shake this, sorry, if you tried any of these, let me know in the comments, or if you know like which one I should try first. If any of these are your favorites, let me know, because like I said, these are all new to me. This here I am super excited about. This is Scinic, I hope I pronounced it right, Scinic Enjoy Super Mild Sun Essence. So I'm sure if you're into skincare, you've heard about the Sunscreen Controversy, and it's been referred to as a Korean sunscreen controversy, but that's really inaccurate, because a lot of sunscreens from Europe and the United States and all over the world test below their stated SPF labels. But the good that came out of that is different brands now decided to take kind of like a proactive approach and test their products and make sure that they are what they say they are as far as SPF. And this one is what it says it is. This is actually SPF 50+. And PA 4+. I'm a total sunscreen junkie. So fair. Ooh. Feels nice. It has a very mild scent. I had to hold this all the way to my nose to even smell anything. Yeah, it's really mild. And look, it's just soaking right into the skin. It's already not sticky, and I'm guessing it'll dry down even more, but it just looks like skin, right? I mean, I don't see any white cast. Okay, getting a white cast on me is kind of a hard accomplishment, because this is the paleness level. But you wouldn't believe that some brands can still do that. I don't remember if this is combination filters or what. I'm guessing it probably is a combination of chemical and physical. I will definitely put more information as I do an actual review on this, but the initial, my hopes are high for this. Next, Klavuu Pure Pearl Station Revitalizing Facial Cleansing Foam. Deep cleaning with pearl extract. Very good. I don't know who got stuff on my box cutter, but I'm not impressed. This is my special red box cutter that my husband gave me as a present for opening my multiple Kbeauty packages. Because he knows what's up. Looks good. Not gonna try and open it because I'm going to bathe everything around me in this foam. But like I said, reviews are coming. Just have to say one more time how carefully this was all packed. This is like pro level of Tetris skills from the Oshen Skin team, because they got it all into that box and nothing shifted, it looks like. Just some cardboard dust. Klavuu Pure Pearl Station pH Balancing Quick Cleansing Pad. Cool. I'll have to read about it because, I keep saying that, because cleansing pad, like every brand defines their stuff however they feel like. Clean makeup. Okay, so this one might actually be like a cleansing pad. Sometimes they'll say cleansing pad and they meant like a toner. So, we'll see. I like pads. I don't like makeup wipes. In my opinion, makeup wipes don't clean anything. I mean, they're better than nothing at all, but not my favorite. But then I also have to remind myself that not everybody can physically stand at the sink and wash their face. So I check my ableism and move on. Clavo Special Care Pearl Glow Mask. Wash off masks are my favorite. I'm so excited for this. This and the sunscreen are probably going to be the first things I try, not gonna lie. These are my favorite types of products. And I like a good sheet mask, don't get me wrong. And I used to use them every day because I really like them so much. But as I get a little more experienced with all this, I realized that the wash-off masks are just as good, if not better. Usually a little bit cheaper per use. And a heck of a lot less wasteful. Oh my god, do you see this? Look at the pearl stuff. Oh, wow. Okay, and it smells really good. I mean, do you see the shine? And can you hear my son giggling in the background? Wow. Okay, I could stare at this for the rest of the day, I think. I will spare you listening to me ooh and ah about it. But this is the box. Really fun products. And this is one of the reasons why I like smaller independent retailers. I mean, don't get me wrong, I like the super stores as well, where you can buy like every single brand under the sun. But sometimes when you shop with small businesses, you get the advantage of like a curated collection where you know that somebody who is very experienced with this stuff vetted things for you and picked the things that they thought were good. I mean, that's still not a guarantee that they'll work for you personally, but it's also not just a massive dump of everything that's being produced. Thank you very much for watching. I hope this was interesting. Like I said, let me know if you've tried any of these or which ones I should try first. I will see you in my next video. You can find me on Instagram at Kbeautyhobbit, in my blog, Kbeautyhobbit.com, my Facebook group, Korean Beauty Fanatics, and I will see you in my next video. Until then, please remember to always listen to your skin. Thank you so much. Bye.